Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Isabella's Quick Recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these insanely delicious pumpkin blondies. They are very quick and easy to prepare, and the best part of all is you probably already have these ingredients on hand. So let's get started.
Don't ask me about my freedom. Don't ask me about my wisdom. You want it, you need it, but why?
Start off by adding 4 room temp eggs to a standing mixer with 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You're gonna whip this on high for 10 minutes. So you're gonna need to get your timer out. You want this to become a thick cloud-like consistency. For those of you new here on my channel, welcome. I post new videos weekly. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on all my fun seasonal recipes. While the eggs are beating, you can go ahead and melt your butter, and you're gonna mix in 1 cup of pumpkin puree with a teaspoon of pumpkin spice and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix it up, and for the dry ingredients, here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour with a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now after the 10 minutes has passed, this is what the eggs and sugar should look like. It's doubled in volume thanks to all of that air that was beaten into it. Add the pumpkin, and you're gonna mix it just until it's combined because you don't want to deflate all of that wonderful volume. Next, fold in the flour. You may need to break any little lumps of flour with your whisk. The batter is so light and airy to work with and delicate that you don't want to overmix this, but be sure that there are not any lumps. So just mix it, but don't overmix. Make sure there's no lumps. After it's all incorporated, pour this into an 8-inch parchment lined baking pan for nice thick blondies. Or if you want thinner bars with a quicker cooking time, you could use a 13 by 9-inch pan. These are gonna bake at 350 for 40 minutes. All right guys, and now for the best parts, taste test. Look at these beauties. If you bring these to any party this holiday season, people are just gonna be like, what is that? It kind of looks like a gooey butter cake. The top and the middle. Oh, the bottom is so moist. The top is really light and airy because we whipped those egg whites. Cheers. Oh my god, it is. If you're a texture person, this thing is right up your alley. The bottom is really chewy and super tender, but the top is very light and airy. The pumpkin taste is so subtle. It's not overpowering. With the brown sugar, it gives it like that caramel taste. These, I knew it. I saw these on my first day at my new job, and I was like, what is that? I gotta put those on my channel ASAP. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you try it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.